So this is the camera that I got today. And I got to get an SD card for it because the guy told me that I didn't need anything else besides what it's in here. He didn't say I needed an SD card, so now I got to get an SD card for it. Action camera mount, zip tie, waterproof case, helmet mount, strap, remote control, clip, USB cable, battery charger, clip, protective back door, battery, handlebar mount. Doesn't say anything about an SD card. Anyway, this is what it looks like. This is going to be filmed for parades and events like that. So I don't always have to use this all the time, my camera on my phone. This is built-in Wi-Fi, 130 feet, 40 mil, waterproof, wireless remote control, adjustable angle, time-lapse driving mode. It's got photos and video on this. Really, I didn't care about the photo part, but the video part is pretty good because I want to start recording more parades, but I don't want to use my phone all the time just to record parades, so that's why I got this. And this is the waterproof case right there. And this is a mount of some sort. I'm going to keep this mount. Anyway, so all you do is just open this up like this. And that's how you save it from getting damaged from the water. I'm really not too sure how many times I'm going to use this in water, to be honest. Or not water, but how many times I'm going to... I don't think I'm going to go outside even if it's raining outside. I probably still won't use it out there. But that looks pretty cool because, like I said, it's not like my phone. My phone is waterproof, but the thing is, it's not like it's not waterproof. So that's pretty cool because I could, you know, I can record videos and stuff. Like I said, I just got to get a I just got to get a SD card or whatever. That seems about right. Now, where the frick did the other thing go? Oh, there we go. And that's how you... That's how you, kind of like a mini... It's like a GoPro, basically. It's off-brand of a GoPro, basically, if you think about it. Oh, shit. Basically hold it like this, probably, and... I'll figure it out once I go, but it's good to get this. Anyway, I got most of it done, I think. And then you just take it out again. I got the batteries over here charging. So, got them charging right now. I don't know how long they last to charge, but this is pretty cool. I wanted to get something like this for a long time, though. You know, I didn't know if it was going to be a GoPro. It doesn't really matter. I mean, it's basically the same thing as a GoPro. It's just an off-brand. But this is pretty cool just to have, so if I want to do a quick video, instead of using my phone all the time, you know. Phones are meant to be, you know, used as cameras now, too, but not really. I mean, if you think about it, kind of, but... So... Like I said, this is going to get easier as I go. This is just extra parts. Not necessarily all this stuff has to be put together on the camera. That's just extra parts and extra stuff that you can use for the camera. Especially these wipes, or not wipes, but cloth that you can use to clean off the camera. But not all this stuff you have to have for the record with the camera. I mean, the mount is pretty cool. As you can see, I could just do like this, and you know, when I'm recording or whatever, I could just, you know, I got to get it a SD card though. So anyway, I'm going to end this video. I hope everybody enjoys my video here of my new camera. And no, I didn't get the camera. Somebody said, don't get that camera. Well, it was out of stock anyway, but this camera is the best one I could get today. That was not going to be over what I could have, or over what I actually had. So there's one that was at Walmart for almost $300 or $500, and I said, no way, I don't even have that. So that was out of the question. But this camera's pretty cool. It's going to take some use. I'm not used to a camera like this, though I do. The camcorder right there, and then another camera right there. And then I have another larger camera right there. But those are actually kind of faulty because they're not, like, not faulty, but, well, yeah, they're faulty because they're not working properly. I don't have the, first of all, I don't have the SD, or not the SD cards, but any chargers from anymore, so I can't charge them. Anyway, I'm gonna end this video, so peace.